All right, guys, look at this beast. 2017 C43 AMG bi-turbo Mercedes-Benz. Fully custom carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber front lip, hood vents. Just clean car. Side skirts, got a full kit on it, okay? I love that front end on it, dude. They look really nice. We didn't do anything on it, guys, but he brought it in. He had a rattle. Actually, I'll show you what we fixed. But it has a full Wesgate turbo back, downpipes, full system by Wesgate. But it's catless downpipes on each side, all stainless steel, 2.5, dual in, dual out muffler or resonator. I don't know. It's a Wesgate. And then X-pipe. Right there, then 2.5 continues, and it was rattling real bad right here because they were touching, the two pipes were touching, so we just put a few tacks and a few welds on it, and it don't rattle no more. This clamp loosened up too, and it was hitting right there. It was hitting right there. As you guys can see from the black mark, it was hitting against the AMG tips. So we raised it up, cleaned it up for him. Right there. Right there. I said, might as well get you guys a nice video out of it. And it's got a Dark Horse tune on it. So it's fully custom to the max. Look at this thing. Just beautiful. And it's beautiful undercarriage. It's got 70,000 miles on it, guys. But it's still really clean. It's very well maintained. So we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our videos so we can keep bringing you guys more and more. Like always, guys, thanks for everything you guys do for us. Here we go, guys. Let's see what she sounds like. Twin turbo beast. Woo, that sounds good. And it's got the Wesgate blow-off turbo, blow-off valves. Sound decibels. Double step it. That's not popping. Sounds mean though. Your sound decibels, right at 97. Not too bad. It's got so lovely. Check out that engine, guys. Look at that hood cover. Really nice. Full carbon fiber hood. Display the glass. I'm going to show you guys under it. It's fancy. See a fancy little thing with the gold wrap and all. I like it. You like it? All right.
What was the point in popping the hood when you can see through it?
I know, but you can see all of it. See, look, when you close it, you can't see all of it. You just see the little fanciness of the fancy. Good stance to this car. Honestly, if it was mine, I want it louder. Really amplify. I would take that muffler off, amplify the turbos. It is what it is, though. It's my boy. Let you guys hear on the inside. C43 Mercedes AMG, fully custom, beautiful car. Guys, 1 second. Yep, that's big lunch. Look at that thing go. Beast mode.